Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching easy and quick. First click here and then type Windows, update settings, here's it, click on it, and now once you're here click install now. And first you have to check for updates, and if you find any update just install it. And after installing all the updates that you can install, go here and then type Roblox and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, the next one is to type here apps and features, and wait, now once you're here type Roblox, click on it and uninstall it, and after that go to run, click on it, app data, click OK, local, and now scroll down until you find Roblox, and here is it. Now right click and delete it, and after that just go ahead and install it again. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, see you in the next video.